Imagine a 75-year-old woman, recovering from a stroke. Her mobility is limited, and the stress has taken a toll, turning her hair a distinguished silver. This was Mrs. Lee's reality. Yet after a few months of acupuncture treatments by a renowned TCM practitioner, something remarkable happened. Not only did Mrs. Lee's mobility improve, but her once silver hair began to regain its youthful black sheen. This astonishing transformation wasn't just about aesthetics. It symbolized a deeper healing, a revitalization from within, orchestrated by the ancient wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine. Mrs. Lee's story is a testament to the interconnectedness of our bodies and the power of TCM to address seemingly unrelated ailments. It highlights the importance of treating the root cause, not just the symptoms. While Western medicine focuses on immediate relief, TCM delves deeper, aiming for long-term balance and well-being. Acupuncture, a cornerstone of TCM, involves stimulating specific points along energy pathways called meridians. This process helps restore the body's natural energy flow, promoting healing and balance. In Mrs. Lee's case, acupuncture not only addressed her post-stroke mobility issues but also, surprisingly, reversed her hair graying. This unexpected outcome underscores the holistic approach of TCM, where treating one aspect can have positive ripple effects on seemingly unrelated areas. Mrs. Lee's experience offers a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, the body has an innate ability to heal and rejuvenate when guided by the right approach. We've all heard the phrase going gray with worry, but is there truth to the link between stress and hair color? Traditional Chinese medicine says yes. TCM views hair as an extension of our vital essence, reflecting the health of our internal organs, particularly the kidneys. Stress, often dubbed the silent killer, takes a toll on our kidneys, depleting their energy reserves and potentially leading to premature graying. But stress isn't the only culprit. TCM recognizes the profound impact of emotions on our physical well-being. Repressed emotions, particularly grief and fear, can disrupt the flow of qi, or vital energy in the body, leading to imbalances that manifest in various ways, including premature graying. Western science supports this mind-body connection. Stress hormones like cortisol can interfere with melanin production, the pigment responsible for our hair color. Chronic stress can lead to oxidative stress, damaging hair follicles and accelerating the graying process. So, what's the takeaway? Managing stress and processing emotions healthily are crucial not just for our mental well-being, but also for maintaining youthful, vibrant hair. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can go a long way in preventing premature graying and promoting overall well-being. Just as a healthy garden requires nutrient-rich soil, our hair thrives when we nourish our bodies with the right fuel. TCM emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet rich in whole foods for maintaining hair health. Black-colored foods in particular are believed to strengthen kidney energy, which is essential for hair growth and pigmentation. Black sesame seeds, a powerhouse of nutrients, are a staple in TCM for promoting hair health. Rich in antioxidants, iron, and copper, these tiny seeds help protect hair follicles from damage and support melanin production. Similarly, black beans, a good source of protein, zinc, and biotin, are believed to nourish the hair and prevent breakage. Beyond specific foods, adopting a holistic lifestyle is key. TCM emphasizes regular sleep-wake cycles, as inadequate sleep disrupts the body's natural rhythm and can contribute to hair loss and graying. Regular physical activity, even gentle forms like walking, improves blood circulation, delivering vital nutrients to the hair follicles. Incorporating these lifestyle and dietary changes can have a profound impact on your hair health. Remember, healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy body and a balanced lifestyle. In a world obsessed with quick fixes and instant gratification, TCM offers a refreshing perspective, a holistic approach that emphasizes balance, prevention, and long-term well-being. While modern hair care often focuses on external treatments, TCM reminds us that true hair health starts from within. Incorporating simple yet powerful TCM practices into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Regular scalp massage with your fingertips stimulates blood circulation, nourishing hair follicles and promoting growth. Combing your hair, a seemingly mundane act, also plays a role in distributing natural oils, promoting shine and preventing tangles. Minimizing the use of harsh chemicals like hair dyes is another crucial aspect of TCM hair care. These chemicals can damage hair follicles and disrupt the scalp's natural balance, potentially exacerbating hair problems. Embrace your natural hair color, and if you must color, opt for natural alternatives like henna. Ultimately, maintaining healthy, vibrant hair boils down to cultivating a balanced and mindful lifestyle. By nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods, managing stress, and adopting healthy habits, we create the optimal conditions for our hair to thrive. Remember, true beauty radiates from within, and healthy hair is a reflection of overall well-being.